Hey guys, it's Jenny Silver, and today I'm going to show you how you can unban or ban a viewer from commenting on your channel. All right, you guys, so we're going to go over here and we're going to click on Settings in the YouTube Studio dashboard. Once you see Settings, you're going to click on Community. From here, if you scroll down, you will be able to see all of the users that you have hidden from your channel. Now, when you choose to hide a user, it means that they are no longer able to post comments on your YouTube videos. Now, they are also not able to comment on your live streams. So if you want to remove anyone from the block list, you can simply go ahead and click the X right here next to their name, and it will remove them from the blocked list.